Hello my friend, on this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the front wheel drive CV axle from the transmission. This one is very stuck. This is from a Mazda 3 2007, and I got half of the CV axle out and the other half, that CV boot, it's still there. So I picked up this CV axle puller with this nut. It comes with this. Let's see what we find here. Like this, I have this thing. It's supposed to help to extract it, and then we have this light hammer that we use to extract it. Okay. I don't know why on these cars they're so hard and they almost bond to the car. So this is the new one over there. I'm ready to replace it. I also had another box with me right here. This one is the front wheel drive hub puller, because I also got this one here stuck. So we'll be removing this and I'll show you how to use these tools. Alright guys, so I installed this over there. Just put the nut and then screw this stick in there, and then you're gonna Alright guys, I finally got it out. It was really hard, but basically I had to remove the sway bar link, and I put this brake caliper here somehow, and then I just, with my hand, I just banged it really hard. Came off, all the fluid came out. I'm gonna have to clean this, but just don't forget to put something underneath so the brake fluid goes there, the transmission fluid. Alright guys, so now while I'm at it, I'm gonna do this control arm, and we're gonna install a new one. Okay. Alright my friends, I also have this part stuck, so we're gonna use this tool here and try to pull this out. I already got this bracket in. This is called wheel drive axle. It's here's the box. Front wheel drive hub puller, and I will leave the link on the description also. But this is how it works. Let's see if it comes out. We have to hold this so it doesn't move. Let's see if I can just step it. Maybe we have to use an impact wrench. Let's see, let's grab the impact wrench. Alright guys, I think it's working. I just step on it, grab my impact drill. Alright, so easy with this.